How to set reminder in Android. If any day any of you are an Android user and you'd like to set reminder on your very Android phone, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. In order to set the reminder on your very Android phone, you need to download an application or install it on your very Android device. That is Google Calendar. If you have already installed it, you can search Google Calendar on your mobile device and then you can just launch it on your mobile device. But if you do not have Google Calendar on your mobile device, you can just download it with the help of Play Store on your mobile device. After you find Google Calendar, you have to tap on it like this, and when you tap on it, Google Calendar will be launched on your very mobile device. After Google Calendar is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the plus like icon on the mobile device of Google Calendar or the application there, and then tap on the option of the event. After you tap on the option of the event, now you can see the option like this. Now after you see an option like this, you have to search the very option, or you have to search the very thing, or tap on the name of the very thing that you would like to set the reminder of. After you set the very name here, now what you have to do is you have to go to the option like this, and then what you can do is you can set the date here with the help of all the option here. And after you set, you can also add the peoples here and then go to the option of save. After you go to the option of save here, the very option will be saved here and it will set a reminder to you when the date will arrive. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.